Welcome to my channel, good people. Today I will examine the Cardano crypto asset. More so because of the recent development. As Cardano moves swiftly to the number 3 position within the overall crypto market cap when measured by market capitalization at $39 billion. And then replacing TETHER. So, what are the catalysts responsible for the massive moves? Stay tuned to find out. So, grab a cuppa and then subscribe. There are so many technical terms associated with the functions or operation of this digital asset, but I will do my best to explain them in simple terms. You see, Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson in 2015 and launched in 2017. The digital asset is a decentralized autonomous platform, though shares some attributes with Ethereum. However, Cardano is more advanced than Ethereum, vis-a-vis problem-solving functionality and operations. Okay, I know you are eager to know how and in what ways, and then no worries, I got your back. Meanwhile, for a better understanding of this concept, let me tell you about the token called TETHER. So, what is TETHER? TETHER is a currency used on the Cardano blockchain, or you could say TETHER is embedded in Cardano cryptocurrency. And wait, let me explain further. You see, TETHER exists on the settlement layer of the Cardano platform, something similar to Bitcoin attributes, and keeps tracks of all transactions. And then there's the second layer called the computation layer, and this layer is very similar to Ethereum. And this layer is very unique. Well, in what way, I think you want to ask me? Then no worries. Well, you see, this layer enables the smart contract and application to run on the platform. Okay, stay with me here. Let me tell you about the smart contract for a better understanding of this concept. You see, Bitcoin transaction look like this. Toby sent 10 Bitcoin to Shewa, and that's it. Whereas Ethereum transaction run on smart contracts and look like this. Send 10 Ethereum from Toby to Shewa. If Shewa's balance is 15 Ethereum and the date is, you could put today's date, 4th 03/2021. Okay, now you see what is called smart contract. Simply, it means Ethereum transactions are automatic, programmable, whereas Bitcoin is manual. By the way, go and watch my video titled Ethereum is a better digital currency than Bitcoin. Bitcoin rather. You will see the clip at the end of this video. Okay, here's the key. You see, what I just explained is what is called smart contract on Ethereum. However, investors have discovered that the technology, the Ethereum I just discovered, that the technology is somehow has some limitation. It is expensive to execute this transaction and other similar transaction on the Ethereum platform. Let's say a bit slow and sometimes associated with errors. And this is when Cardano steps in with enhanced technology to solve the problem. In a way, TETHER propelled Cardano, making it quicker and secure transfer value. And I think you want to know how it works. Then stay with me. Don't go, please. You see, are you ready for this? Okay. You see, digital coin like Bitcoin and Ethereum uses what is called proof of work Turing transaction, and it's based on cryptography mathematical equation. Although proof of work is an amazing invention, it is anything but perfect. Not only does it need significant amount of electricity, but it's also very limited in the number of transactions it can process at a time. Consequently, another consensus mechanism called the proof of stake was created, and Cardano intends to solve this problem by this mechanism. Okay, what is Cardano is doing now is what is called decentralizing the network by proof of stake, meaning transaction will now be verified at every stage through an algorithm called the Ouroboros. I hope I pronounced that very well. Okay. And with proof of stake, it is efficient, quicker, easier, and cheaper to use. Another key feature of the Cardano is what I call, I hope I can pronounce this well, interoperability Cardano blockchain. Okay? So what does it mean? Well, bear with me, let me explain that. Well, some people call it the internet of blockchain, ecosystem, where Ethereum can migrate to Bitcoin, and Litecoin can flow into Ripple, and cross-chain transfer without middleman. Okay, here this is key. Cardano is very limited in supply. The number is 45 billion, and currently in circulation is say 31 billion. Okay, you do the math. See what is left. Okay, I do it. 14 billion token is left. So what does it mean? Well, it means it is a deflationary currency like Bitcoin, whereas Ethereum is inflationary because it does not have a finite supply. Okay, to inform you, some have speculated that Cardano could reach $10 by the end of 2021. Presently, at just over $1, as you can see from this chart. Okay, so what do you think? Do you think Cardano is a buy? What is your opinion about the future of this asset class? In my opinion, I will give it a shot and allocate say 2 to 3% of my allocate 2 to 3% to Cardano. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers, and thanks a million for those who have subscribed. And again, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.